Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Aika, and if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and also press the bell button to be notified each time I upload a new video. I know yesterday I didn't upload anything and I guess Mondays just don't work for me, or I don't know, every time there is something going on Monday specifically, or even during the whole weekend, and I never have time to film and upload on time. Well, basically the reason I didn't upload yesterday is simply because my parcel didn't arrive, because it got stuck at the customs office. I received a letter from them last Friday and I was really mad at them, but honestly speaking I think it was my mom's fault because she didn't put a price there, and therefore they just couldn't declare it. They just saw that there were some expensive items inside, but they didn't know what to do with them and how to tax them basically. So we had to send them an email, and finally I received it today, which is Tuesday. So I'm doing this unboxing today, and hopefully it will be up by tonight as well. So I am very excited to share these two items with you, and I got them for such a steal price. Both of them were $1,200 and both of them are Chanel bags. Can you believe it? Like, what? I know this is crazy and I think I was just very lucky, but anyway, let me just show them to you. So the very first bag that I received, obviously both of them were pre-loved and both of them are pretty old, but they are in amazing condition. This is the very first one. I have some air paper inside. This is the bucket bag and I think it's from the 10th series. So this must be something like 2006, I think. This is how it looks, and honestly this is such a gorgeous bag, especially the white stitching, and I was really impressed that all the stitching is still white considering the age of this bag. But honestly speaking, it is in amazing condition. It has 4 feet at the bottom and it does have a little bit of wear on the corners, but just a tiny bit. I think if I use something like a shoe brush, you know, to clean the leather, they will all go away, but no major marks or anything. And also it came with this cute charm which you can actually take off, and then you can easily put it on a different bag if you want to. And it is also in pretty good condition. So yeah, this is the bag and I think it's so gorgeous. And also bucket bags I think are back in style, and they have been for a couple of years now. Obviously, yeah, so loud. But this is how the bag looks inside. It is pretty big, so I think you can fit a lot of things inside. It looks pretty small, but because of its shape and because the bottom is so big, you can actually fit a lot. And it has a different lining, so it has like this Chanel all over the inside lining. Then there is a zip pocket, and I just have this little care booklet from Chanel, but no card. They didn't have the card, and also I didn't get the dust bags for the bags, but it's okay. This is the Chanel Made in Italy stamp, and also I've got the authenticity code right in here. So as you can see, it is a 10th series. it looks like pretty bad inside, but I mean the sticker, but otherwise it is pretty clean. No stains, nothing. And also I think this is the softest leather I have ever touched. I think because it is pretty old now, it became even softer than it used to be. That's how I feel, but it feels really, really soft. Like, you know, the leather jackets, if you wear them for quite a long time, like maybe 2-3 years in a row, and they become a little bit stretchy and the leather becomes so soft, and this is how it feels. So it is such a beautiful bag, and I got it for $550. And the next bag is even more beautiful than the first one. Honestly, it is my favorite one of the two. Are you ready? Ta-da! I guess. This is my new Chanel flap bag. It actually really looks like the one I already have and showed in one of my videos, but they look so alike. It is a single flap bag, but the difference is that this is all satin and it looks so puffy. It looks like a pillow, to be honest. As you can see, it is really, really puffy, or like a winter jacket, but all of this is satin and it has the most beautiful stitching. This bag is gorgeous, and it is also black, but I guess you never have too many black bags. And again, it is with silver hardware, just like the previous one. It also has a back pocket which looks like this. It is very convenient to keep your phone, for example. And in the front there is no like regular lock like you get on the regular flap bags, but it has this magnetic closure, and I think this is because this is not leather but satin. And when you open it up, it looks like this inside. This bag is in excellent condition. I'm not even sure if it has ever been worn, because honestly it looks brand new, like brand new. And the inside is very clean, no smell, nothing. It has a one pocket like this, then a bigger one, and on the other side it has a zip pocket. Very sorry, oh my god. Anyway, it has a zip pocket like this, and of course Chanel, made in Italy. So, and this one, by the way, is the 13 series. Can you see? And the sticker looks brand new, but again, unfortunately I didn't get a card nor the dust bag, but it's okay because the bag is still in amazing condition and it is so beautiful. Even the strap is made out of satin material, but there is no wear at all. And it's just so beautiful, and I cannot believe that I managed to get it for only $750. Like, come on, are you kidding me? It is brand new. And right now I think if you go and look after this bag in the store, it would be like 3,000-4,000, I guess. So yeah, these are the two bags that I got. And I got them from Kazakhstan. There is a seller back there and she sells all the luxury goods like clothes, shoes, bags. She sells them brand new from the stores but with the sale, or she sells them pre-loved, and these two were pre-loved. The price is insane. I think someone was in a rush to sell the bags and get cash very quickly, and when I saw them, when she told me the price, I was sold. I was like, I need both of them, because come on. So yeah, these are my two new Chanel bags. What do you think, guys? Which one is your favorite? Both of them are really like so beautiful and gorgeous, and I'm very, very happy that I managed to get both of them for such a cheap price. It's unbelievable. Anyway, I guess this is it for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.